Welcome to the overview presentation presented by the Guild of Winners, Team 2. My name is Fred, and I will walk you through our ecosystem of networks. The use case that our guild decided to explore is using Clearvale in a college career center environment. The reason we focused on this use case is that we know colleges have to do more with less due to all the recent and continual budget cuts. We also know that it is extremely challenging for new college grads to find a job in these tough economic times. Grads need more help now finding a job than at any time in recent memory. Finally, we looked at several websites for college career centers and noticed that while most schools have a website, the content on the website was static and one-directional, very Web 1.0. With students living on their cell phones, we knew that Clearvale offered some powerful features that could be exploited in this environment. Our proposed solution is to provide a more interactive Web 2.0 based environment for students to work with the Career Center, to provide tools to allow the Career Center to work more efficiently with both local and remote employers, and finally, to provide a place for Career Center employees to do more with less on their intranet site. Our Clearvale ecosystem is composed of 4 networks. The Career Center Internet site, which is a public place open to everyone. The Career Center Extranet Hub site, which is a place for students to manage their job search. The Career Center Intranet site, which is a place open to just Career Center employees. And finally, the Career Center Extranet Spokes, which are places open to Career Center employees and HR recruiters from a specific company. The Career Center Internet site allows students to see and use the services that the center offers, such as assistance with interviewing, assistance with writing resumes, details about upcoming job fairs, and counseling services. This network is open to anyone and provides a link to the Extranet Hub. The Career Center Extranet Hub is where the students collaborate with their peers and counselors on their resumes. Students can find information about employers who are hiring. An API integration in Clearvale allows the students to update their profile information via a cell phone. This could be easily extended to allow them to update additional information as well from a cell phone. Students are encouraged to collaborate on job search and interview skills with each other and with Career Center employees. As an incentive to use the site, students earn activity points, which make them eligible for rewards and prizes. The Career Center intranet site contains the usual type of information you might find on an intranet site. We have a community for information pertaining to benefits, a community for professional development for career counselors, and so on. We included an RSS feed from a job listing site to keep counselors in the loop on local and remote employers who are hiring. Career counselors can write information here and then share it with the other networks in the ecosystem as needed. The Career Center Extranet Spokes sites are created by career counselors by cloning a template network that contains some basic information, such as a video that describes how to hire new employees and information on upcoming career fairs. The career counselors can create a new spoke network for each of the employers that they work most closely with. The career counselors simply need to invite the HR recruiters that represent the company and add a little data tailored to the company. Then the company's recruiters can create communities in the site where they can collaborate on the evaluation of resumes and coordinate and evaluate candidate interviews. The recruiters can also create job postings and share the postings with the Career Center extranet hub. In our scenarios, we created a sample spoke for a Silicon Valley pioneer in e-business and business social networking, Broadvision. With students living in an online social networking world using Web 2.0 technologies like Twitter and Facebook, universities are grappling with how to engage and interact with students in that world. Clearvale provides the perfect environment to facilitate the transition. First of all, Clearvale provides minimal upfront investment. Career centers can start by implementing just their intranet site. If they have fewer than 50 employees in the Career Center, the internet site is free. Once they are comfortable using Clearvale, they can add an ecosystem and gradually add more networks for the internet, the extranet, and finally, extranet spokes. No special hardware or software is needed. All they need is a web browser and internet access. Additional benefits are that Career Center employees can easily maintain their own websites. They do not need to rely on IT for any help. With the skyrocketing costs of a university degree, parents and students are expecting universities not only to make their graduates employable, but also to help their graduates find a job. The higher the success rate of the Career Center, the more valuable the college experience. These success stories, published on the internet, are good PR for the university. Finally, the marketing aspect of the career counselor's job is streamlined. Career counselors can easily connect to and collaborate with employers by using the VIP employer spoke networks that are easy to maintain via file sharing. Our use case focused on colleges in the United States. In the U.S. alone, there are over 4,000 college campuses. This use case could easily be extended to cover colleges in other countries, junior college career centers, high school career centers, and trade school career centers. Clearvale provides a highly successful and cost-effective way for colleges to find good jobs for their graduates by facilitating collaboration between career counselors, students, and employers. This concludes the Guild of Winners Team 2 overview.